guys, welcome back to It's Me YANA and It's Me Kimika. So today we are back with another video. We are at the nail salon and I'm getting my nails done.
And I had mine done.
Yep.
On Day Birdie. So she is getting the dip.
These colors.
He's doing the dip for her. She's getting like a peach kind of color with the silver. It's really neat. Does it smell like mint? Or she said it smelled like mint. Be still. Let me see.
This is not the finished touch. He still has to do the same thing.
So there's several, I guess, coats for this.
Yeah, last time I got my other ones. If you haven't seen the photos, go check my mom's Instagram out. Go check her Instagram out, and then you'll see the pictures when we were at the other salon, and I got teal on my nails.
Yeah, it was a Tiffany, like a Tiffany teal.
Yeah.
That is really neat. So I do the dip system, but I don't do the dip system, the color.
I got the dip
not
system.
these. These are acrylic, but I do the dip system at home. But I do the clear color.
She got the acrylic, I got the
dip. It's more better for the nail.
And you guys, my nails were literally like this, but like they were higher. My nails were so long when they like took it off.
She had nail tips on. Don't move, baby. She had nail tips on, so we took them off.
Don't worry, guys. They were little teeny tiny ones. Like they were literally the size of my pinky.
Watch your finger there. You don't tip. Yeah, it was really teeny tiny nails.
So, Daddy, if you're
check out my
this,
Instagram page, you'll see. So it wasn't some extravagant tips, you know, long like this.
And you might see the picture
so don't come
of
for me.
Nails long, but they cut them down. Don't worry.
Yeah. So
you
I think
see that
it's
before.
really neat. You got that cop deal. So that is so cool. It looks like they're fluorescent right now.
And I think we're
really
gonna go to Subway after this, guys.
Yeah. Which is next door, and then Starbucks is on the other side. Oh my gosh.
We should get Starbucks.
And new, we're gonna get food before we go to your dad's.
Oh yeah, guys, today I'm going to my dad's house. And yeah.
The dip here. So it looks like stop moving around, baby. It's like a base coat of some sort, and then
leave in the comments down below if you guys, on my channel and my mom's channel, leave in the comments down below if you guys ever had the dip or acrylic.
Yeah, I do the gel polish because I don't have patience to dry the nail polish.
Guys, did you guys see that video of the giveaway? Because they announced the giveaway, but
it was the other day.
Yeah, the winner will be announced in a few days.
So it's like a base coat, and then
like when
you literally dip it in the color. She said it's like cold.
Yeah.
And then you like brush it off.
There's a lot of things of process that you have to do to get like nails like these really pretty.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Look
people.
at this shimmering. That's the color.
Put it back this way, yeah. Yep.
And then earlier he put the tinfoil and that on.
Oh yeah, the tinfoil.
It was so weird because like.
Because we had to take off the tips.
What is it called?
I'll insert a picture here. Yeah, they had to use that to take off her tips. So now these are just her natural nails. And
these
then
are my natural
from
nails.
what they
it's
say,
just color on top.
yeah, like 2 weeks or whenever we do a fill, they take it off again and then put another color on, so it's more healthier for the nail. Oh yeah, a kitty. So it's more healthier for the nail.
And guys,
Big brother's over there in the chair, like,
he's bored. Like look at iPad, so
yeah, he'll be okay. He wanted to come.
I love these nails.
So how many coats of the do you do for the dip? 4? 4? Yeah. So you do 4 coats or 4 layers.
Guys, what was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. The Amazon gift card will be,
Or 500 subscribers.
yeah. So once we hit 500 subscribers, the giveaway.
It's a nice day outside. Okay, so he's done with
It's a pretty day outside.
the dipping. So she
And
has
have
glitter on. Let me see the bottom. Nope. So this is the dip part. He's done. So he's got to actually finish. He's done dipping. So I'm gonna zoom closer in.
And last time when they put my nails on, like I was like this. Yeah, it's so funny. Because they were really long, but they like cut it down.
Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in so you can see what's going on here.
Now it looks like a dark red.
Oh, pretty. Kind of like your top coatish.
Yeah,
Or your sealant, maybe.
it's probably my sealant. Is this my sealant?
I don't know. Your shiny part.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And guys, we will show you the.
You're kind of glowing there, girl.
We will show you the salon so you guys can come here because they're really good.
All right, be still. So now is the shaping part.
We're almost at 500 subscribers, guys.
This gel that I got on mine, normally you have to put like the alcohol, but this is the best.
It's so gel.
She didn't have to put any alcohol. It's not sticky at all. Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty because
Like a spring color. Well, like a spring color. You guys are used to seeing, if you've been on my channel for a while, my nails are usually like talons. So
Really long.
yeah. So now they're not talons. They're mid talons.
And guys, I hope you enjoy this video. It's not done yet, but I'm just saying, because this is really good, like, weekend thing to do on the weekend.
It's pretty outside, as you can see. Nice and shiny outside.
Yeah, it's probably 40 now because it's hot.
No, it's probably like 50 something. Yep, so we'll be back in a couple of minutes. Oh yeah. So then we just file them.
And guys, this is like a drill that you use to like usually get colors off. Using it to
And
get
those are like the colors over there. The two colors, the peach and then the glitter.
And guess what?
Don't move, Yana.
The best part about this is showing it off.
I'll be like, you got your nails done again.
Yeah. Me and my mom are probably my brother too. Probably gonna be bored again, but me and my mom are probably gonna come back in 3 to 4 weeks.
3 weeks.
And come back and get our nails.
And get our nails done, of course. Y'all know about that. And then we'll get pedicures.
We're probably gonna get our feet done because we already got our nails done, as you can see.
Dry. Be careful. Oh, in front of the fan. Crunch your fingers up. No, do your fingers like this, Yana.
Yeah.
There you go. Don't touch it, though.
Like shirt.
Same thing. So a double dryer.
Guys, if you go to my channel, YANA, you guys will see another video that I will be my mom will be uploading, but it'll be just me.
Dry your fingers.
It'll just like be about our day and stuff. You guys can get a little see what we do today.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good.
We all a shot of the debit card. And then we will see the finished product.
Get some rub. They smell good. They smell so good, guys.
And this, folks, is the dip. Of course, for lunch. It's time to grub down. You ready to eat, Yana? Yana, you
Yeah.
ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. Time to grub, people. We'll be back. This is how I like mastified.
So guys, we just left Joanne's to get some fleece for our hedgehogs, and we're about to go into Harris Teeter to get some not fleece, we already got fleece, some yesterday's news for their cage to make their cage smell good. And it's about time to wrap up this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell button, comment down below if you had long nails, acrylic nails, or powdered nails before.
Don't forget the giveaway.
Yeah, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. Once we hit 500 subscribers, the person that will get the $50 Amazon gift card will get it. Yeah, notified. Will get it. And we hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And make sure, don't forget to check out my channel. It's me, YANA. If you box down below, and the link for the giveaway is in the link down below too. So as always, stay blessed, stay cool. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.